Alright, you guys, what's up? We're in the Roxor booth. We're here with Tommy. He had a Roxor at SEMA that was just amazing. I'll check down some pictures and B-roll it for you guys right now. But basically, we're in their new booth. We're looking at their new Roxors for 2020. They have a new grill design to deal with whatever was happening with Jeep. And I think the new grill design looks pretty good. It makes it like a unique vehicle, right? This guy is crazy when it comes to Roxors, just building them. It's insane. But we had someone who's driven a Roxor before drive the automatic for the first time. Enrique, get in here. What'd you think of it?
I like it, man. First of all, is yours automatic or stick?
Mine's automatic.
And you were actually saying you have more room in that thing?
In my 19 JL.
That is pretty
Wow.
wild, man. That's cool.
That's
I don't know, in
great.
terms of automatics, Dan's got the stick shift automatic. I'm surprised at how you can stay at the bottom of the hill, take your foot off the accelerator and run fine. Same thing with that over there, too, you know? With the lunchbox. Was it lunchbox? Or something? What do they call it?
Well, yeah, there is lunchbox locker.
That's what that thing has.
Oh,
so when it goes
that's what
over,
lockers are?
you can hear it clicking on and off.
Really? That's what lockers
And it will
are?
automatic-
Factory?
I don't know if it's from the factory.
Because I know they do ox lockers. Check this guy out. This is Eric right here. He's the face of Roxor. We see him at all the shows. So, Eric, what's so cool about the automatic?
The automatic, hey man, it's an anti-millennial theft device. You already know that,
Hey,
right?
Yeah, that's true.
So only us old guys can drive it.
Right.
No, it's kind of different. The stick shift is that way, but the automatic, anybody can.
Yeah.
It's just way too easy. I'm not sure I like it, but stick shift's what I like because, only us old guys.
Right. But you're right. This is opening up a whole new market for people.
This
that
is
want to use it.
This is designed by General Motors and a French company called Punch. Mostly for like the Chevy Colorado mid-size pickup trucks, and we're using it in the Roxor now.
Cool. Now, what kind of applications? Why are we at a concrete show seeing Roxor?
Well, we're in the utility construction category here. You probably bought it maybe more for recreation or adventure or sport. This is a whole different vertical. So now we really get into guys that, are using them for durability and torque. They can pull trailers with them. We can put snow plows on them. And here they're pulling concrete mixers, pod in the back, and bricks. You can put almost a pallet back here too in the trailer for sure. That's cool. But there's a lot of utility, and because it's torquey, because it's also a turbo diesel engine, the cost of operation is a lot lower than you can get, say, from a UTV that's got a 2-cylinder gas engine and a CVT transmission. This is all automotive truck quality.
So, you're going to... Go ahead, Eric.
What kind of lockers do you have on here?
This one's a stock one. You can add Spartan lockers or Ox lockers, which are electric servo operated, super easy, great for rock crawling and super torquey stuff.
Okay.
Right.
But no, these guys here at the concrete show are eating it up.
So, this thing's like twice the durability of any UTV on the market, pretty much, right?
Well, we're the great-grandson of Willys Overland, and there's still Willys out there running around on ranches and horse farms, still being used as utility vehicles, and we expect this to be, lasting the same amount of time. I'm probably going to leave mine in my will to my grandchildren.
Wow. And then also simplicity. So if it does something, you're working with this for 10 years, there's a problem on the job, it's going to be a lot easier to fix and get back moving than it would a complex.
Yeah, we call it analog. It's simple.
Analog.
It's super simple, and we don't really subscribe at all to planned obsolescence like our competitors do, and they change it every 3 to 5 years. We subscribe to planned timelessness.
Right. Yeah.
So you'll always have parts.
Yeah, so for 2020 we have a new grill. And what else do we do for 2020?
538 gearing in the differentials, so you'll even get a little bit better rock crawling and torque performance from that.
Wow. Okay, cool. Thanks, man.
And now there's even more accessories. Check out RoxorOffroad.com. We even got RoxorWorkforce.com for all these guys too.
Really?
Who are wearing hard hats instead of motorcycle helmets.
Yeah, hey, this is safer.
This is what it's meant for. This is the kind of durable product that people in the construction industry really need. We're really discovering this as a whole new vertical. We've only been on the market for almost 2 years, but we went to the ranching show, World Series team roping a couple months ago in Las Vegas here too. The rodeo guys, if you own 4-legged animals that eat a lot of hay, you probably own land.
Yeah, it's basically like a tractor in a Jeep style.
That's right. You can hear that diesel just humming away, and it'll last longer than I will on this planet.
Man.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, hey, thanks so much for coming, you guys.
We
Appreciate it. Yeah.
All right.
Come on for a drive when you're ready.
See you later. All right, you guys. So that was Eric talking about it. He's one of the sales guys here, and you know, I'm a fanatic of this thing. Tommy's a fanatic. This guy's a little more crazy than I am about these things because I don't know how he had the time or the know-how to build the Roxor that he did. I was kind of blown away by it.
It
Like,
does look really nice. You did a really nice job.
Yeah, I seriously, I thought we had like the greatest Roxor. I'm like, oh my god, this is the greatest Roxor. Did I see that? I'm like, oh my god. And I'm thinking it's like some crazy high-end, you know, West Coast customs guy.
Yeah.
And it's Tommy, man.
Bill,
He's just awesome. Yeah, does an awesome job. Follow him. What's your Instagram tag?
Roxor RJ8.
Underscore RJ.
Underscore RJ8, yes.
Roxor. We'll put it in the thing below. But all right, you guys, peace out, and don't forget to subscribe.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.